Thailand's electric vehicle market is expanding rapidly, fueling strong demand for core components. RIUGOR's premium electric vehicle rear axle assemblies and critical accessories are exported to Thailand, injecting Chinese power into the local new energy vehicle industry. Our flagship export electric vehicle rear axle assemblies perfectly aligns with Thailand's growing demand for new energy transport through their efficient, stable, and low noise characteristics. Simultaneously, we provide comprehensive supporting critical components to build complete product solutions, brake calipers and discs, forming efficient braking systems to ensure driving safety, gear shafts, long and short half shafts, ensuring efficient and smooth transmission of vehicle drive power, non-motorized bicycle brakes and components. Our extensive product range meets Thailand's substantial aftermarket demand. RIUGOR remains steadfastly committed to quality. Every product undergoes rigorous quality control, supported by efficient logistics and comprehensive services to ensure timely delivery. Choose RIUGOR. Let's drive the future together.